This video will make walking 10 times more fun. First, forget about the number of steps, time, and correct posture, and just start walking. +1. Go out with new shoes and clothes. +2. Use smartphone apps. +3. Let's walk around unknown roads with an adventurous spirit. +4. Let's walk to the restaurant. +5. Listen to music and walk to the rhythm. +6. Make a walking buddy and walk together. +7. Use the camera to take pictures. +8. Walk with your pets and spot wildlife. +9. Vary your walking rhythm by walking briskly or taking long strides. +10. Sharpen your senses. Thank you for watching. Tell us how you enjoy walking. Turn your walk into entertainment. You are a walking expert.